there's all this footage over here that I need to drag in, and I've already made these. I wonder what this does. How did I not know this existed? What's up guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you a tool that I think will 10x your editing speed. So I've got this interview footage that I've been working on, and I've got this awkward gap in between this phrase and that phrase. So normally the way that I would fix that is to go here, make a cut. I usually just press Command K to make my cut, Command Shift K to make cuts to all. I'll select all of that and then Option Delete, and everything is fine. But there's an easier way. There's all of these tools right here in the sidebar, and I'll bet you didn't know what this tool is. This is the Track Select Forward tool. And what it does is when you select a piece of footage, it will edit everything ahead of that footage with it. So if I wanted to drag this up in the timeline, all of the footage ahead of it drags up. And when you drag it back in the timeline, all of the footage drags back. And now I've got a clean edit without having to cut and ripple delete or cut and select all of my footage or anything like that. What? That's the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you guys knew about this, but it's new to me and I'm excited about it. It's gonna speed up my workflow, probably 10x when editing in Premiere Pro, and I am excited about it. That's the end of the video. We'll see you in the next one. Make sure to like this video and consider subscribing if you haven't already. See you in the next video, guys.